Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm a social anthropologist, and my ethnographic work has focused primarily on how people understand and engage with water. Now I've changed direction slightly to exploring how the materials, so not just water, and the substances of the world shape the way people can be human. So how earthly substances, the air, the soil, plants, copper, plastic, concrete, and so on, are reshaping the way humans can act, how those substances determine the way we can behave, how they are our partners in how we can be ourselves, how they insist we act, how they resist our charms, how they provoke, how they entice. And by recognizing that the weather, the rocks, the trees, and so on, structure the way our lives can be lived, I ask if the boundary between human and other entities has been drawn successfully in the right place. And so consequently, I explore the notion of agency as an idea, and I wonder if agency as the notion of choice can be usefully reconsidered to include more than the human. So at this conference, I'm going to provide an outline of a project that I'm currently part of. It's a UNESCO Bridges endorsed collaborative project. It's concerned with revitalizing water in an area of Colombia with an indigenous group called Kogi. So the objective of the project is to determine how environmental degradation can be reversed using Kogi methods alongside those of the hard sciences. And by recording events, the whole process, hopefully we will be able to produce educational materials that go some way to illustrate the value of alternative methods when approaching the environment. So approaching the world using alternative knowledge systems encourages new ways of thinking. The orthodox, almost axiomatic understanding that people must possess or corral or use the world in some way to survive needs challenging if we are going to in any way slow down the changes to the way that the material world can now behave. So realizing the reciprocal and shared nature of being physical or being material reveals that what is done to the water or other materials will in turn redesign how your life can be lived. So my aim is to encourage alternatives to be embraced so that we can redesign in conscious partnerships rather than reactive ones with the world. Thank you for listening.